Hey guys, it's Kylie. I'm gonna see how many pumpkin muffins I can get out of the half a bag of this Pillsbury sugar-free vanilla cake mix that I have from last week. I did half of it to make a apple pie dump cake. So what I'm gonna do is that's half of the Pillsbury sugar-free cake mix. I'm gonna use about 3/4 of this jar and kind of see where we go from there. The thing is, I just wing it, y'all. I am not a precise person in the kitchen. I just wing it. So I'm adding just a little splash of water as well. When I tell y'all I don't measure, I really mean it. I just kind of wing it. We're going to do the whole thing of pumpkin. It'll extend it, and this is, you don't prepare it according to the box of cake mix when you're doing the pumpkin. It's not necessary. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Like I said, I wing it. My friend's birthday is today, and her favorite dessert is funfetti cake, so I made her a cake, and then I thought, you know what, I'll make me some sugar-free pumpkin muffins, and then what I'm going to take some to my grandma, so she has some too. So I don't know how many we'll get since I just used half the box of cake mix, so we'll just see. And this is going to decrease the points of the muffins most likely because I only used half a box of the cake mix. But it's just also going to depend how many muffins I get. I hope you guys are having a great Halloween. I have been trying to catch up on getting some things done since I was gone last week. And, yeah, not a whole lot going on around here. Well, I say not a whole lot. Does anybody ever have a whole lot of stuff and not a lot at the same time? I don't know how to explain it. And then we're going to cook these at 400. And I'll let you know how long it takes. Since I'm only using half the cake mix, it's going to be a little bit different this time. So I'm just going to keep an eye on them. Normally, I throw them in the oven at 20 and then start checking on them every few minutes after that. For using half the box, I think we're going to get 12. Whoopsie. Okay. Yep, I think we're going to get 12. I've got like just enough that I can make one more. And that was with half of the sugar-free cake mix and a full can of pumpkin. This was and sometimes if I'm trying to make one more muffin, I'll just take a little bit out. I want to know if any of y'all ever do that. I'll just take a little bit out of the others. Okay. This is a 15-ounce can. So I did a half a box of cake mix, 15-ounce can of pumpkin, and some water. And I'm going to throw these in the oven. And then I've got 12 pumpkin muffins. So I love y'all. I hope you have an amazing day.